In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV's basic plan. If you're looking for an affordable way to stream games without compromising on features, this guide will help you make the most of the service. Let's get started. YouTube TV's basic plan includes access to major networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, NBC, and ABC, which broadcast most live football games. Start by subscribing to YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. Once your account is active, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Log in and browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch. The basic plan also includes unlimited cloud DVR storage, so you can record games and watch them later. You can stream on up to 3 devices simultaneously, making it perfect for households with multiple viewers. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV's basic plan, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.